The heat is on, folks. Triple digits out to the west. A lot of 90s here in the valley, lakes country, and even near the international border. It's going to last at least one more day. Tomorrow, we're watching for the fact that we also will have more of that humidity in the area, particularly in our southern counties, with heat indices that will be between 95 and 105 degrees for some once again. Let's get to the details outdoors right now. That hazy sky continues. Home of Economy Camera in Grand Forks, North Dakota. Low 90s right now at Moorheads Airport, low 90s at Hector. Feeling like warmer than that thanks to the fact we have dew points in the sticky 60s out there. We have 83 degrees in Bemidji. We had those Beltrami County storms yesterday, dumping some hail and rain in the area. Your temperature's a little cooler in our north central Minnesota area. As a result, Langdon cool as well, but your neighbors in Hallock are at 90. It's nearly that in Grand Forks, and we have near 90 degrees as well in Jamestown. Where the heat and the humidity is highest, we have heat index values that are over 100 degrees for our southernmost counties. Look at this in Sisseton, in Aberdeen, feeling like 103 degrees. So stay hydrated, and if you feel yourself getting dizzy or faint, cool that body temperature, even if it's jumping into a cold shower, running through the sprinkler, or finding shade. Taking a look at the clouds building out to the west as this little weather maker works its way our way. I can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm this evening, but our model here is not too ambitious with thunderstorm development this evening. If any do form with the heat and humidity in our atmosphere, they could quickly become severe. So we'll watch this very closely. But again, more likely than not, we stay quiet in almost all areas this evening. Temperatures slipping down into the 70s, and that's as low as we go. As those clouds blanket in the warmth, the south wind continues to keep things stirred up in the atmosphere, and it's going to be a warm start today. I pause this here at the overnight hours of 2 in the morning because there'll be a chance that we'll have some hit and miss showers and rumbles of thunder in the overnight. One or two of those may be strong. The chance of severe, not great overnight, but we'll watch it for you. Again, that's going to be generally after 2 a.m. the way it looks right now. We're starting out at a very high mark tomorrow in the mid 70s, and gusty south winds take hold. Those winds will gust over 30 miles per hour in places, and then a cool front starts sagging down from the south. Watch this. Chance of thunder in the afternoon hours, mainly in northwest Minnesota, and our Minnesota counties have a chance at seeing some severe thunderstorms with large hail and damaging wind being that primary threat. We'll keep you posted on that. It's another day of those low to mid 90s in the south and near 90s north. But look at this. That wind does a woohoo switcheroo northerly now. And when we have north winds, those fires in southern Canada could usher in a little bit more smoke late in the day on Wednesday and into Thursday morning. So rain chances very, very small out to the west, and in the east we'll have a hit miss chance for your Wednesday. 75 in Fargo to start you off. We'll be close to 95. That's warming up 20 degrees, which is typical this time of the year for the amount of daylight hours we get. Again, winds shift from southerly and gusty to northerly and gusty, and in Fargo we'll see gusts over 30 at times. 90s still possible even up north, but we will notice that cooler flow of air from the north beginning to make change by the evening hours. Here is a look at the fields of grain out there. Boy, the stalks are short and not many grains on them with this dry weather. Stressed crops up and down the valley. Thanks for sharing your beautiful photo there. We do cool off, but only into the upper 80s as we go through the close of the work week. A little bit better on the weekend, but notice this. Nary a raindrop in sight after we get through the spotty thunderstorm activity, Mike, tomorrow. So the drought continues, and we'll have an update on those drought conditions later this week as a new report is released.
It's been a while since 83 has been our high.
Yes, exactly, and that's average for this time of year.
All right, thanks.